beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nora. Just like I promised you that I was going to make a video of the world's most effective stretch mark oil, so that's what we'll be doing today. Sorry, I won't be showing my face. I'll just show you all the items we need for this effective stretch mark oil. Okay, this oil is something you can actually sell. This is my working materials. Okay, the only material I don't have in this recipe is my crude canaco. Okay, but after the video I'm going to add a crude canaco. That's the only thing that is not present in today's video, but definitely once I'm done making the stretch mark oil I'll add that later. But that aside the crude canaco, every other thing I need for this recipe is complete here. So you're welcome to my channel, my beautiful divas. Thank you for stopping by. If you're a new subscribers, this channel is all about skincare, beauty tips, fashion and lifestyle. We talk about skincare products, review about skincare products that work. We do DIYs, we do pro-mixing, you know, stuff that can help you achieve a flawless skin. So now let's dive into today's video for our most effective stretch mark oil. Even no matter how old that stretch mark is, this oil is going to erase it clean. Okay, it's going to fade it completely. So now what we need for our stretch mark base, the base for this recipe, what we'll be using for our base is Shalon stretch mark oil. You all know this is the original Shalon stretch mark oil. You can see what it looks like. Okay, so if you're making this recipe, please endeavor to get all original materials. Okay, because if you get any inferior or fake or duplicate material, you're not going to be getting the complete result of this oil. So make sure you get all natural, all original ingredients in order to get the best result. So what we'll be using for our base is Shalon stretch mark oil. Okay, this Shalon stretch mark oil on its own help fade stretch marks. Okay, but we're trying to mix it too. So like I said, so what we need for our base is our Shalon stretch mark oil. So I'm going to pour the whole bottle in this bowl. Okay, so we just added our Shalon stretch mark oil into our bowl. So the next thing I'll be adding here, another base for our recipe, is our almond oil. Okay, for the almond oil I'm using the one from the brand Skin Doctor. It's a pure sweet almond oil. So I'll be using 4 tablespoons of our sweet almond oil. You can use any brand of almond oil. Okay, so I just added the 4 tablespoons of the sweet almond oil. So as you can see, I have python fats here. This is python fats. This is python fat. I have the melted one here in my bottle. As you can see, this one is already melted. So this is the fresh one. This one is melted. Okay, this one is melted. As you can see the oil. While this one is fresh. So I'll be adding all the oil you see here in my bowl. So the measurement should be about 3 tablespoons. So I just added all my python fats. Okay, so the mix. So like this one here, the fresh one I have here, what I was doing, I'll melt this one and put in my container and keep for next time use. So I'll melt this one and put back into here. As you can see, this one is already melted, so I'll have to put this in my container and keep. Okay, so next thing we'll be adding our bar oil. We'll be adding 2 tablespoons of our bar oil. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my bar oil. Okay, let me just add more. So next I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of, this is the bar oil I use, in case you didn't say it well. Okay, so next I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my aloe vera gel. Okay. That's 1 and 2. So next I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my vitamin E oil. This is vitamin E oil. This is my favorite vitamin E oil I work with, Lisa. Okay, this is my favorite vitamin E oil. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my vitamin E oil. That's 1, 2. So next I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of my palm kernel oil, not red oil. This is not palm oil. Palm kernel oil. This oil is extracted from palm kernel. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. This is not palm oil, the one you use for cooking. This particular one is extracted from the kernel. So it's palm kernel oil, not palm oil. Not the palm oil for cooking. This one is extracted from the kernel. Palm kernel oil. So I added 3 tablespoons of palm kernel oil. So next I'll be adding perfect legs. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of my perfect legs. This is it. 2 tablespoons of my perfect legs. One, 2. So that's 2 tablespoons of my perfect legs. So lastly, I'll be adding a cup of my miracle powder. This is what it looks like. This is almost fading. This is the perfect packet of my miracle powder. So I'll be adding 1 full cup of my miracle powder to the mix. This is enough. So another one I'll be adding, but this I'm supposed to melt it. I have just a little, so I'm just going to melt this and I'll pour into this. So the only thing missing in this recipe that is not here, which I will add later, is my cooked kanako. I don't have it here at home. I'm making this video from the house, so I have that at the shop. So when I go to the shop this evening, I will get my cooked kanako and I will add 2 tablespoons of my cooked kanako to the mix. That's the only thing I've not added here. So when I go to the shop, I'll pick my cooked kanako and I'll come back at home in the evening and I'll add 2 tablespoons to this mix. So what next I'll do is to melt this shell butter. This is like about 1 tablespoon of my shell butter. I'm going to melt this and I'll add to the mix. Okay, that's all. That's all. You see the stretch mark oil? All you need to do is just the way you exfoliate your skin. You exfoliate that area very mildly 2 times in a week, and you apply the stretch mark oil on the affected area morning and night. There's another stretch mark soap. I will review that one maybe soon, but I'll just let you know the name. It's from Emos White. It's a round yellow soap for stretch mark. You can use that soap to wash the area affected. I'm going to try to insert the picture of the soap I'm talking about at the end of this video. So you use the soap to wash the area, then you apply this oil morning and night. No matter how old that stretch mark is, this oil is going to erase it completely. It's going to erase it completely. This is very, very effective recipe that I've been using for a very long time. I use this particular oil to erase all the stretch marks I used to have on my skin. Right now I don't have any stretch mark on my skin. Like even the few little ones remaining around my arm area is very invisible. Like you won't really see it. It's just like a little finger pinch. So it's completely faded. These stretch marks are stretch marks that were looking reddish and very wild, very obvious in the past. But like I can see that some videos I made with sleeveless, wearing sleeveless, you won't see any stretch mark on my body. And I used to have stretch mark around my arm, around my thighs, but right now I don't have a single stretch mark on my skin. This is the remedy. So we clocked 5,000. I decided to show you this recipe. This is my working recipe. I decided to show you all of this. Once we hit 5,000, I'm going to show you how to make the most effective flawless whitening face cream once we hit 5,000. So this is for we hitting 4,000 subscribers. This is actually something I saw and it works so well. So when you try out this, come and drop on the comment section and give me your own review. Okay, so that will be the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, turn your notification post so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Bye for now and God bless you.